Okay, I'm a player, that's my coach. Okay, you hit anyway. 1. 1. Now, they are doing the 90% right. But I want to deliberately ask them to do the wrong time of the 1. So I want them to know which timing is right, which timing is wrong. Because the player knows 2 different timings, in the future, they will not go back to the old habit, old timing. Okay, now, bang. Yes, right, right. Now do the 1 same time, early, too early. When I'm hitting, you do 1. Ready, move. Yeah, that is too fast. Many club players do that.